What's up, everyone? Can you hear me, guys? Hello, hello, hello. Hope you guys can hear me today. I can hear me well without any issue. Just tweaking the mic volume. Sounds low. Just let me know if you can. Just if you can hear me in the chat, please. All good? Ah, okay, perfect. All good, all good. Okay, perfect. Just a quick question. Do you prefer the microphone settings like this? I'd like to have your opinion, guys. Or do you prefer like this? Can you please let me know what do you prefer? If you notice slight changes. So like this, the settings like this, or the setting like this. I don't know if you notice the difference, but I would like to have your feedback to improve the stream quality. The second, when you say the second, you mean this one or the other one, Mukesh? And C's as well, if you can, if you guys can let me know. You mean this one or the other one? The current one? Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, good, good, good. All right. So let me change here. All right. Okay, then it should be, we should be good. The volume should be nice as well. It shouldn't be too loud. It shouldn't be too low. Just confirm if it's not enough, and I will increase. But it sounds perfect right now. So guys, how are you doing? How are you doing today? All good? We'll try to put some music as well. What's up, Gimero? How are you doing, man? How are you doing? I'm gonna try to put some music. We'll use a playlist. Let's go. Relax and chill, perfect. Okay, perfect. Sounds good. Sounds good. All right. So, what is the market doing today? Good try to understand the future move of the market with you. I am short. I've been scalping really well, by the way. I'm quite happy with the performance. I've been scalping this tight range here, as you can see on BTC. Been scalping this. Had pretty good results. In all humility, had pretty good results. So now I shorted again because we had a sweep of the value area high just here. We had a sweep here. All right, so I entered short here. I would like to go break even once we close below the point of control. Here it's a bit pointless, in my opinion, to go break even. But once we close below point of control, I would like to go break even. TP is here, value area low, basically, and also high volume node and bullish order block as well. Short tops or long bottoms? I didn't long, I only shorted. I shorted BTC a couple times. I shorted XRP as well, closed in profits, and now I'm running this long on hype. This is the only long that I am holding right now. Because it has been showing good strength, very good strength, and it's a nice hedge against the BTC. Let's say BTC decides to pump and stop me out, then I think I am in a good long with hype. So quite happy because I feel like whatever happens, it's gonna be a win anyway. So I'm quite happy. Also, the reason for the BTC short is that here on the push that we had earlier this morning, we trapped buyers here on this week. We had some buyers trapped here, and we closed back below the value area high. I will zoom out so you guys can see what I'm talking about. You see, we have the value area high, and we closed back below. Okay, at 91,565, and this is exactly my entry. You see exactly my entry. All right. Also, if you look here on the CVD, you can see that CVD is starting to be exhausted. Sorry. You see we have a lower low on the CVD and price has been making a higher high. All right. So we might have some exhaustion and a short-term drop happening soon. So for now, the short is in profit on BTC and the hype long is in profit as well. So we're doing a good job, quite happy with the performance, and hopefully we have a positive outcome with a TP on BTC, or at least a partial TP. And hopefully if BTC goes to, let's say, I'd like to take some partials, for example, here on BTC around 91. So if I get some partial profits taken here, hopefully hype is not going to stop me out because I am at break even. Stop loss is at my entry now. What's up, Vazi? How you doing? How you doing? So do you guys have any questions? Any questions? What's up, Ahmad? I will follow the setup, but I want to long after the liquidation. We have massive options. Yeah, but options just bring volatility. They don't tell a direction. Every time like people look at options, and it's always like for the last 5 years, it always has been like a non-event. It doesn't really impact the markets. And if we have a massive drop, I would like to long around 88k, because we have a nice naked point of control here, also nice single prints to fill here. So 88 is a very good level in my opinion. We're gonna see if we have some VWAPs maybe. I can check here because I'm using the native TPO. Yeah, we have a VWAP here, the weekly VWAP. All right, at 88.3. So that makes it a good area in my opinion. Very good. I have a question. Please check Discord DM. I will. I've been quite busy lately. So apologize if I didn't reply quickly in DMs, but I will today, I promise. So I'm looking at this area. All right. Upon reaction, of course, upon reaction, I'm not gonna blindly long. Why? Because if we look at the BTC chart, we have 88 that is good, of course, but we also have lower around 87, like 87.2, 87.3. We have the point of control right here, as you can see, and we also have that nice order block that initiated the big pump that we had. So I'm also considering this level. So that's why I'm not blindly longing 88, because 87 is also a very good area. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna watch what the market does, and we're gonna look at the reaction, and we're gonna adapt. All right. Lot of longs, lot of longs. Let's see what happens. Also looking for longs here, but looks like it will consolidate and do a breakout. I don't know, holding strong. I do agree, it's been holding strong. I was very hesitant to close break even, to close at entry right now on BTC and just stick with hype. But I don't know, like I don't know. I think we have like a drop before. I think we have a drop before breaking out. I can be wrong, but as I said, if I'm wrong anyway, hype is really doing well. Like we entered the trade, I called this with the tracker in Chroma, and we had no drawdown. So that's perfect. How to check if market maker are building shorts or holding the market? We can check the heat map. But you will most likely never know if market makers want to like dump or pump unless you're one of them. Heat map. Where is the center? Who moved my settings? All right, so let's look at the heat map. We have strong bids at strong ask, sorry, at 92 selling orders. Then 93k, and if you look at the liquidation heat map, we don't have that much liquidations below, right? So most of the liquidation is above the price. Well, we're gonna change the time frame and we're gonna see something nice happening. Yeah, we have massive liquidations below 86. Okay, massive liquidations below 86, and the other big cluster is below 90k. All right, so this is exactly why I have my TP on BTC at 89.6. Because if we take these liquidations, we might do something like this. And if we don't bounce here in this area, then most likely, as I said before, we go for 88 or 87. So this is why I have my TP here. I will be happy with the profits. I'm not greedy. Right? I'm really not greedy. Longs are trap for now. Longs are trap, yeah, above 91.6, yeah. I longed hype last night, got stop loss. I've been waiting for the sweep of Monday high. I've been waiting for the sweep and the retest of the retest of this as well, of that order block. And so far it's been good, very good execution. Happy with the performance lately. Can you show the liquidation heat map for near on MMT? Yes. Sure, give me a sec. Is it in the middle? I'm a bit maniac. I like to have things properly placed. Let me check also the order book map. Okay, price going down, hype still strong. So you wanted near, right? So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna duplicate this and we're gonna save, by the way, the layout, and we're gonna check near right now. It's not my favorites. Okay, I should have it in my favorites. They don't have, unfortunately they don't have Binance, so we're gonna check Bybit inverse. And we're gonna lower the time frame. A liquidation below 173. All right, 173 and then above 2.15. But to have accurate data, we will also check the order exchange. We will check BitMEX. On BitMEX, we have 181 and 170, 179. Yeah, and that's it. Not really accurate, I think. Would have been nice to have Binance. So we'll stick with BTC for now. Gonna remove the noise here. I think we'll see this level before pumping hard. Yes, so I closed my near long when we had the pump 2 days ago. It was 2 days ago, I think. So I decided to close because near was a bit weak. So I closed it completely in profits, and then I will reassess if we take the lows. I'm gonna reassess. But so far BTC is clean now. BTC is quite clean. We had this, it's either like inducement, you know, we trap a lot of shorts. Okay, we get a lot of shorts here at this level, and then the breakout will be massive. And I think if we break out anyway, we go for yearly open. So don't try to short the rip. Okay, if we break 92, just like disable the short button, because I think we squeeze at least to yearly open. All right, or it's like we trap a lot of breakout longers, and then we're building liquidity to go lower, because it's doing like a nice pattern, like a nice Bart Simpson or a week of accumulation, whatever you want to call it, looking good so far. So yeah, we're gonna pay attention, but I would like something like this so I can position myself below. How much the hype long is up? Ah, nice. Okay, nice. We're doing good. We are doing Gucci. We are doing very well. What else looks good? What else looks good? We have, yeah, if was looking really good here. However, we didn't manage to make a higher high. So that could be a nice short here. Too late in my opinion. And we have a nice demand created here. And if we lose, if we don't bounce here, I think we sweep Monday high. So we can feel the imbalance here. Something like this. And then pump again. It's really clean. The price action now is really clean. And if you pay attention, we also have the EMA cluster right here. So really clean so far. I'm gonna set alerts. I'm gonna set my alerts just here. Perfect. Perfect. Doge was looking clean. I wanted to long this earlier. I should have because yeah, very good pump. I didn't take it unfortunately. XRP is also looking good. Now it's also looking good. What's up, T-Lawyer? What's up, man? It's also looking okay. I did short twice and took profits. Do you know the season for CFT to end? No, I don't manage this side of CFT and I have no idea, to be honest. So I don't want to tell you anything wrong. But I will ask so we can make some sort of announcement. Also, remember, guys, that the market today, the US market, will be only open for half of the day. Okay? Only the beginning of the session. Why is my name F? What's your name? Like, who you? Season for CFT? Yeah, there is ranked season, like, and the best traders, the best funded traders get like rewards. I knew it was Trader CL. I remember the profile picture. Yeah, I know that profile picture. You're a lawyer, Mr. Trader CL? You a lawyer? That's good. And remember, second information is that I'm gonna be live again this afternoon on Twitch. Grimex official, what's up, man? What's up? So far so good, pretty happy with that trade. Pretty happy. Let's see if Bitsy does something like this. Would be nice, huh? I am a lawyer, yes, spent 150k on education and now I'm trading Fortcoin. Ah, that's good. That's why you have a lot of money. Bro is a lawyer. Bro is like the man in suits. You have your own like office, or you're part of an office, you're an associate or something. $150k though, what the hell, man? It's free in France. To be a lawyer, it's free. Like, if you're good, it's free. You don't have to pay. Or you pay like maybe 5k total with the fees and stuff, like administration fees, etc. Come on, BD, go down. Don't tell me these top longers are going to be fine, you know? Don't tell me. If it closed below the point of control, it's Gucci. We need to close below 91.3 and that will be Gucci. Like, really good. So please send it a bit harder. Right? However, you have the plan for today. Right? You have the plan. Don't chase longs. I think we don't have any longs to take here. What do you think about ETH? I'm interested in ETH. I would have taken a short, but I prefer to short BTC instead. So you see, we took the high here. That's really clean, really nice sweep. Very nice sweep for a short. And then you have two long areas, in my opinion. You can long here, 3k basically. We found a nice demand, but I would prefer to be more conservative and wait for this zone. Basically, because we have Monday high. Okay, this is the Monday high here. Just here. And I'd like to see a sweep. I'd like to see a sweep. You know, something like this. We sweep Monday high and we go up again. So we can feel that imbalance as well. So that's the plan, hard facts. Most likely, if you get the sweep and the reclaim, you enter on the reclaim here. And then you have a target here. Okay, you also have that nice supply. Okay. Very, very clean price action on ETH. I wouldn't say it's easy, but to read at least it's easy. What is the plan right now? I'm long Tau and hype. Tau weekly open sweep. Won the high SFP. Hype long target 37.5 and plan today short sol. I am also long on hype. I longed hype here. You have it. Basically just playing the Monday high that you have just here, you see. Just playing this. And my target is 39, but I have TP along the way. I want to TP 36.7. I want to TP 38.3 supply here. And I want to TP 39 to completely exit. That's the plan for today. For Sol, I'm not sure. The read is not great, but yeah, previous month's low. Yeah, I see why you would like to short this. We also had the nice support here. So yeah, we could have something like this, yeah. Yeah. Definitely possible as well. Definitely possible. So far so good for hype. And on Tau, I wanted to long as well. But I don't know. It looks weak. It looks a bit weak. You see, the structure is still bearish. That's the only problem I have with Tau. The structure is still bearish. Why is your stop loss on BTC? Seems like purchase higher brings more FOMO longs first. If you covered, yeah, I covered, but it's fine. I can repeat, no problem, man. My stop loss is simply below the high. Are you also from Uzbekistan? Absolutely not, man. I am from Paris. My stop loss is above the high here. 91.9, around 92k. Let's see if we close the M15, the next M15 above the value area high, and if it does, then I think I will cut the trade and leave hype. I thought you are the younger brother of Vazi. Why I would be? No, I'm not. I'm not the brother of Vazi. It looks like ABCDE triangle from Elliott Wave, so you're gonna get stopped, broski. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate the output. Let's see if it does. He's the younger brother of Mahatma Gandhi. Yeah, Gandhi. Not hating, just honest thought. Ah, no, I didn't say you hate. Like, don't worry, I'm pretty chill. I'm not gonna say, oh, that's a hater. But let's see the outcome. Because I don't know about like anything about the future. So I don't know if I'm gonna get stopped out. I don't know if I'm gonna take profits. So I appreciate if you guys can help with the predictions. Always. You live in Tokyo? No, I was in Tokyo and I came back in Paris 2 weeks ago. Yeah, 2 weeks ago I was still in Tokyo and now I am in Paris, brother. Let's see what BTC does. Let's see. Come on, like, look at all these longs. 32.4. I think if we break 32, we go much higher. This is why I don't recommend to short if we go above 42k, because I think going above 42k will trigger a lot of liquidations. So yeah, I would be very, very cautious. Can you check S? Yeah, I can. S USDT. Are you also in Chroma or you separate? No, I am in Chroma. Since end of July. What is CFT Academy? You're also here as a mentor. Yeah, basically CFT Academy is the channel that stream and publish the content, like the educational content, you know, the streams. We all have different kind of streams. For example, I do like charts and coffee streams just to make a market review in the morning. You have like other traders doing altcoins review. You have Matrix doing, for example, a Nasdaq session. You have Marez streaming on Sunday and doing preparing the next week, finding a weekly bias, etc., etc. 11 cents FS. Oh my god, it got obliterated. No way, man. Oh, it got obliterated. It looks bad. It looks really bad. Really, really bad. I have absolutely no like argument about this one. It looks terrific, I would say. Yeah, it almost filled the October 10 week. That's crazy. That's absolutely crazy. And the structure is still bearish. We didn't manage to make a single higher high. Yeah. How old are you? 30 years old. What's up, Ari? Ari Anale. Bits is strong for now. It's holding. Let's see the M15. Let's see that M15 as we said. Let's see if we can manage to close back inside the value area. And do merge. We have the same values, so we're gonna stick with the merge. Have this month been good for you? I've had some rough weeks. It's been hella good. Like I can show you the performance with Chroma of the performance of all the calls I shared in Chroma. But so far, yeah, it's been really good. Let me just open the tracker and go on the stats page. But yeah, it's been really good so far. All right. So that's the performance currently, and I still have hype. So I didn't close hype yet, but that's the performance so far. So I was in Japan the first half of the month, right? I was in Japan, and then you see that after Japan, I started to trade a bit more actively, and the performance has been great so far. 60% win rate. And plus 12 R, so that's quite good. I had the swing long from 8-week comp, value area low 81. Damn, that's really good, man. That's really good. You are doing very good, proud of you. Thank you, man. Thank you so much. I was quite frustrated to have such like -1. Like it was great. I mean, November has been very difficult for a lot of people, so sitting around break even was not that bad, really not that bad. But then I just changed the way I was trading, because you know my style has been to hold trades for like a day, 2 days, 3 days, like finding H4 entries and holding the trades. Unfortunately, the market is not really offering conditions to have that kind of system, so I decided to adapt and change my style a little bit and do very quick scalps. So the last week I've been doing a lot of scalps in Chroma, finishing the trading arc. Let's see, like we still have 2 days going into December, right? Yeah, we still have like 2 days, so let's see how it goes. But so far the quarter has been good. If we look at the stats since September, since September, this is what we have, September to November to today. So let's see December. So we're not done, but so far we're at like 22.5 R, which is great. And you see on the quarter, like no negative drawdown, which is great, right? Which is very good. We have the win rate could be better, like 43%, but that's average. That's really average, so that's fine. But clearly I've been doing, you see, we had a spike. I've been doing much better with scalping. So it tells that the market is better for scalps lately, getting quickly in and quickly out than trying to hold the positions, because the movements have been violent, whatever it's to the upside or the downside. All right. And like it's quite well balanced as well. We have like a third, like, yeah, almost like a quarter. But I think with December, we will go to like a third probably, because I've been shorting a lot lately, more than usual. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, so far it's been great. So far it's been cool. So I'm quite happy with how it's going. Let's see how we finish. November. But if Hype gives TP, if Bitsy gives TP, I'm aiming for something like 15R, which would be amazing. So thank you for the kind words. Fantastic results. Finishing the trading arc, clearly goated in scalping. Thank you guys, really do appreciate. Let's see how we finish. The month is not done yet. I will try to be above 60, because I am a maniac. Like I don't like to see 59. I want 60, and I'd like to see 15 here. If I can see 15, it's great. What's Bitsy doing? Trying to push a bit. Okay. What do you think about this 15 billion worth of Bitcoin and ETH options? Options have like almost no impact on the market. It can bring a bit of volatility at the end of the day, but that's it. It doesn't give a clear direction, nothing. So I just ignore these informations. People always freak out, like every time you have options expiring, people are like, oh my god, options expiring. Be careful, be careful, be careful, and it does absolutely nothing. It doesn't do a lot. Okay, BTC pushing. BTC pushing, and Tao going down. Yeah, you see, this is what I don't like about Tao. It's been quite weak. It's been quite weak lately. Near is doing okay. That was the previous trade closed. Aster also, that was potentially a good long from that point of control right here. Max pain level is around 102. Then let's see if we have a push. Let's see if we have a push. Aster can be a good long here. Not too bad. And that's it. I don't have a lot of stuff. I have this setup for AAV. I will set an alert at 178. So I think we can, yeah, we can have alerts and see this afternoon if we get it. If BT drops to my TP, I'm pretty sure I can get an entry on Aave, but so far the setup looks really clean. We have a nice SR flip here, as you can see. Very good. Here we shifted the structure, okay, from bearish to bullish. So if we can get a retest, for me this is a goated entry. And I don't know about the stop loss, but yeah, it would probably be below the 0.5 here. And the TP would be obviously this high. That has been a massive resistance, right? So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I have my alerts. I will set alerts a little bit above just to be sure I don't miss the move. And we'll see how it goes. BTC struggling a little bit. Struggling a little bit. And hype, we have a resistance here. We have a resistance. The next hourly close will be important. If we close below that level, I will cut the trade because structure-wise, I want to see a higher high, so I can expect continuation. You see, structure-wise, I want a higher high. If we close below, then I wouldn't be happy. I wouldn't be happy if we close below. I want something above. I want something above. You have the idea. And then I will be confident that even if you have a pullback, I will be fine. But if we close, let's say the hourly candle below the level, below this level, then I will just cut the trade. Try drawing a range on Tao. Right now it looks weak, but if we hold quarterly open, I think it have reclaimed range low. I mean, I'm pretty sure we have different views on Tao because you use very high time frame and I don't. Yeah, I do believe you might have something in mind if you took that trade. And we are also obviously very close to our range low. So yeah, completely makes sense. We had a nice sweep here. This is also why I was long the last time. I was long on Tao, but I closed early. But yeah, I do like the setup. I really like the setup. We have a nice nice one here. Yeah, nice one with deviation here. We had a deviation here. So yeah, it's good. However, I'm not gonna lie, and that might be really greedy, but even low time frame gives me that level. You know, I'd like to see like 290. Yeah, 290 would be great. Then see reaction. And then I would definitely long with easy invalidation here. And the trade would look fantastic in my opinion. If we can get something like this, playing the range, the trade would look fantastic. What do you think? What do you think? Can we just nuke on Bitsy, please? That would be awesome. Thank you, thank you. So what's your entry on Tao, brother? What's your entry? And guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Otherwise, we'll end the stream. Remember that we will be live again this afternoon on Twitch. Okay? On the Osbrah channel, if you don't follow already. So, yeah, if you have questions, let me know. Oh, you had, yeah, you said it, 288. Man, this is a goated entry. Like, it's exactly what I would like to get. So maybe I'm not gonna have it. But that's clearly a goated entry. Congrats for catching this one. Really good one. So let's see. We had a lot of people buying again. Okay. A lot of people buying again. For now, 91.6 is protected by buyers. You see, we have a nice negative delta just here, which is good. We can check the M15 retention. Yeah, noise, I don't really like it. Moving too fast. We're gonna check on H1. We need to let time now. On H4, sorry. H1 is the best in my opinion. TPO has completely changed my trading. Comp values are gutted. Yeah, composite values are really good. Really good. It's very nice. This is why I try to focus more on teaching TPO now. Like, I mean, order flow, but TPO is the thing I like the most over volume profile, even though I use also volume profile. See? And this is what I'm gonna do with my YouTube channel. I'm gonna post my order flow video series to explain for beginners how to read stuff and how to use it for your trading strategy. How often do you reset your depth of market? I mean, every time I refresh the chart, so a couple times a day. So now we just did, that was probably a bad idea. We just had a reset, but yeah, a couple times a day, maybe 2-3 times a day, something like that. But for now, we're good. We have a negative delta. Thoughts on AVAX? Good question, and I think we're gonna end the stream with AVAX. Good question. So on H12, it doesn't look good. However, we have this level that is being reclaimed, at least trying to reclaim. For now, it looks more like a bearish retest, so I would be very careful. We also have a supply here. You see, we have a supply just here, so be very careful here with AVAX. Don't FOMO, you don't want to long this one. You want to reclaim the level first, okay? You want to do something like this, so you have to be patient. Otherwise, here, if I had to take a trade, if I had like a gun pointed at me and I had to take a trade, it would be a short with invalidation above the high here, because it looks like a bearish retest, okay, of that supply. If we get back above on the daily, However, then I would be interested to long. It would look great for a swing, like really good. I think a great trade of video you could do for beginners to explain then what it actually means. I got the feeling that most people don't understand because some things are so abstract. I started to make educational content about it in Chroma with like text, but yeah, I will definitely do videos. Definitely I will do videos. So stay tuned. I'm gonna revive that YouTube channel, boys. Stay tuned. All right, so just to be transparent, my stop loss is here on Bitsy. Okay, so let's see if we stop me out. For now, it looks strong. We're going to see, and I leave hype. Okay, I'm keeping hype open. So if I get stopped out on Bitsy, I will close hype so I can cover the loss of Bitsy and even make profits on top of it. Because hype will probably run towards 1.5 or something like that, so it will definitely cover the loss and make profits above it. We'll see, guys. So on that note, thank you for joining. Really did appreciate. Thank you, guys. And I'm gonna end the stream now. So thank you very much. See you this afternoon for the Twitch one during the US session, the start of the US session. And until then, take care and stay safe, guys. Bye bye. Cheers.